Moscow, 30th of September 2022. The admission of 4 new subjects to Russian Federation means not just expanding the country's geography. This is a moment of strengthening the power of Russia, because it is growing with ancestral lands, and citizens who speak Russian, think in Russian, and are devoted to the shrines of the Russian world, are returning under its flags. And today, having united together, we stand as a united front to protect the lands of the Lugansk region, Donbass, Zaporozhye, and Kherson region. We will not give up a single inch of land burned by fire, said the Cossack general.